Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare SharePoint versus Code. We'll explore the fundamental differences between using SharePoint's out-of-the-box features and developing custom solutions with Code. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making informed decisions about your project's architecture. We'll cover key aspects like development approach, flexibility, and maintenance considerations to help you choose the best path forward. SharePoint excels as a low-code platform, allowing teams to quickly build and deploy solutions. Its strength lies in providing robust collaboration tools, document management, and workflow automation with minimal coding. This approach significantly reduces initial development time and costs, making it ideal for organizations seeking efficient, out-of-the-box functionality and a user-friendly interface for content management. On the other hand, custom code provides unparalleled flexibility and power. When SharePoint's native capabilities aren't enough, coding allows you to build highly specialized applications tailored to exact business requirements. This approach offers complete control over every aspect, from user interface to back-end integrations, enabling complex functionalities and optimal performance for demanding scenarios. Deciding between SharePoint and custom code depends on several factors. For simpler projects requiring quick deployment and standard features, SharePoint is often the better choice. However, for unique, complex requirements demanding deep integration or specific user experiences, custom code provides the necessary power. Many organizations also find success with a hybrid model, leveraging SharePoint's strengths while enhancing it with targeted custom development.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.